So algebra example 3.1 2 mark question, 3.2 3.3 just revise, 3.4 is a 2 mark question, then 3.6 is just revise. Exercise 3.1 is almost each and every question are simple. So the first one is nothing but it is a polynomial or not. Then second one coefficient of x square and x we know very well. Then third one degree, the highest degree. Fourth is a standard form, lowest to degree least. Then fifth one, just add the two polynomials. The sixth one, subtraction sixth one. Then we move on seventh one and eighth one is the important question. 7 and 8. Then chocolate sum, 10th sum and a rectangle sum, 11th sum. Next we move on example 3.7 asked. Then example 3.8 this question also. Then example 3.9 it is a 2 mark question. Exercise 3.2 first sum, second sum is very important. 4 and 5 just you revise. Then we are going to see the remainder theorem. So example 3.13 is a topmost question for us. Then example 3.15 is a repeated question for us. Then exercise 3.13, that is the first sum is a 5 mark question. Then fourth one is a very important 2 mark for us. Then question number 9 is a repeated question for us. Then we know very well algebraic identities, formulas based. Example 3.16, all the sums you must revise. Definitely one question asked by annual examination. Then example 3.17 and 18 is based on formula a plus b plus c the whole square formula. Then example 3.20, a plus b, that is x plus e, x plus b, x plus c. What is the formula? X cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus a into x plus abc, based on this concept. Then example 3.21 repeated question. Then example 3.23 is the most important. Then exercise 3.4 first sum just revise. Third one just revise. Fourth one is important. Fifth one first and second sum, two sum, any one sum they are asking in examination. Remaining sum just revise. Then last that is the 13th sum is very important. Next example 3.24, this question just revise, factorize model. Then we move on exercise 3.5, first one and second one just revise. And then exercise 3.6, already we have done it 8th standard, factorization. First sum, for all the sums are easy, just revise. Next example 3.32 divide. Next example 3.24 is the most important. Next we know very well synthetic division. This sum synthetic division, example 3.35 synthetic division just revise. Next example 3.37 must revise. Exercise 3.7 question number 2 and 3 is the most important, and first one, second and first one is the most important. Then example 3.38, 3.40 is the most important for us. Then example 3, exercise 3.9, first one all the problem must revise. GCD, greatest common divisor. Then example sum just revise. Then we know very well graph y equal to 3x minus 1 is this graph, a repeated question. Then double equation is comparing the single equation is very easy. Exercise 3.10, first question, second question, these two questions are repeated. Then course sum is very important graph. Then we know very well substitution method, example 3.48. Then exercise 3.11 Roman H, that question is very important. Next elimination method, example 3.50 is the most important. Then exercise 3.12 the monthly income, this question and age sum 2 and 3 is the most important. Then multiplication method, example 3.52. Then exercise 3.13 Akshaya sum, this question important. So next we are going to see the 4th lesson geometry, upcoming video. Please subscribe my channel and share please.